Hi everyone, have a good day for you. Everyone can cook, as we say our motto. So today I am going to give you a special one. What is that? Avocado la mezze. You can use it on your dinner, on your lunch. It is going to be healthy and you can easily, fill your stomach, and it is very healthy and it will give you energy as well. So it is very easy. We have avocado, olive oil as well, and lemon juice, and resto balsamic actually, yeah, basilic something. It is Italiano, and we have also a small piece of almond. This is the almond. So let's have a start. This is our avocado. We're gonna take the top of it. Okay, we're gonna little bit press. Okay, little bit press. Okay, not too much, little bit press on it, and we open our avocado. Okay, we're gonna take the half. Wow, look at this, it is creamy, it looks gorgeous. And I am going to have, okay, this one out. Is avocado. So first of all, okay, very easy one. Everyone can do this. And I am going to use the avocado skin as a table, as a serving plate. Okay, this is our avocado, and this one for 2 people, guys, half and half. You're gonna share with your friends, your brother, your sister. Yeah, very easy. Now it's time to put some our balsamic. Okay, you can also add this avocado if you have like hazelnuts, and little, yeah, small spoon of olive oil, and then lemon juice. We're gonna add some lemon juice. Okay, little bit, and our almond on the top. Okay, on the top. You can also add some, hazelnut. Okay, very easy. So this is our avocado la mezze, la salad. It is ready on the next of your dinner or meal or something. It is very tasty, it is very delicious. Okay, if you like some, also you can also add some salt, but little bit salt. Okay, that's it. Enjoy your meal. Have a good day.